Did you know that the ginger you usually buy from the store can be grown easily right at home? Even if you don't have a big garden, a sunny windowsill, balcony, or a small backyard patch is all you need to start. Growing ginger is not only simple, but also deeply satisfying. There's something magical about seeing a small, knobby rhizome slowly transform into lush green stalks, knowing that in a few months you'll be harvesting your own fresh, aromatic ginger. This spice, treasured for centuries in cooking and medicine, brings warmth to dishes, flavor to teas, and natural health benefits straight from the soil to your plate. Imagine plucking a piece of ginger from your own homegrown plant and adding it to your favorite recipes. That's a taste that no store-bought root can match. In this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on growing ginger at home, making the process simple, approachable, and enjoyable. We'll start with choosing the healthiest ginger rhizomes, those firm, plump pieces with visible growth buds, known as eyes, which are the key to successful sprouting. Then, we'll prepare the rhizomes for planting, ensuring they're ready to grow strong and healthy. You'll learn how to select the right soil and containers, create the perfect planting environment, and provide the moisture, light, and warmth that ginger loves. Along the way, I'll share practical tips on fertilizing, caring for the plant, and preventing common problems like rot or pests, so you can grow your crop with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the full ginger growing journey, from planting to harvesting, along with the inspiration to start your own little homegrown ginger patch. Whether you're a beginner gardener or someone looking to add a flavorful, medicinal plant to your collection, this guide will give you everything you need to succeed. So, grab your ginger rhizomes and a pot, and let's dive into the rewarding process of growing fresh ginger at home, step by step. Step 1. Choosing healthy ginger. The first step in growing ginger is picking the right rhizomes. Look for firm, plump pieces with visible eyes or small growth buds. Avoid shriveled, dried out, or moldy roots, as these are unlikely to sprout. Organic ginger is ideal because store-bought roots are sometimes treated with growth inhibitors to prevent sprouting. You can even buy ginger labeled for planting, which ensures higher success. Take a moment to inspect each piece, gently pressing it to feel for firmness and check for signs of rot or damage. Selecting healthy roots gives your ginger the best start and increases the chances of a strong, productive plant. A simple choice at the beginning sets the stage for months of successful growth and a rewarding harvest. Step 2. Preparing the ginger for planting. Once you have healthy rhizomes, it's time to prepare them. Cut each ginger piece into 1 to 2 inch segments, making sure each piece has at least one eye. This is where new shoots will emerge. Allow the cut pieces to dry for a day or two. This prevents rot when they are planted in soil. You can place them on a paper towel or a clean plate in a shaded, dry area. This step may seem small, but it significantly improves survival rates. When ready, your ginger pieces should feel firm and slightly dried at the cut edges, ready to push roots into the soil. Handling them gently preserves their delicate growth buds and ensures a strong start. Step 3. Choosing the right pot and soil. Ginger grows best in wide, shallow containers because its roots spread horizontally rather than deeply. Pick a pot with drainage holes to avoid waterlogging, which can rot the rhizomes. Fill it with rich, loamy soil mixed with compost or organic matter to provide nutrients. The soil should be loose and acidic with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Avoid heavy clay soils that trap water. Preparing the soil properly ensures that the ginger roots can expand easily and access nutrients. For indoor growers, a potting mix with added perlite or sand works well. Wide, nutrient-rich soil is the foundation for a healthy ginger plant that will grow strong and aromatic. Step 4. Planting the ginger. Plant your ginger pieces with the eyes facing upwards, about 1 to 2 inches below the soil surface. Space pieces at least 4 to 6 inches apart if planting multiple rhizomes in one container. Gently press the soil around each piece to eliminate air pockets, but don't compact it too much. After planting, water lightly to settle the soil. Avoid soaking at this stage, as too much moisture can cause rot. If planting outdoors, choose a shaded area protected from direct, harsh sunlight. Indoors, a bright, warm corner works best. Planting carefully now ensures your ginger can develop strong roots and shoots, setting the stage for healthy, vigorous growth. Step 5. Watering and moisture. Ginger thrives in moist soil, but hates being waterlogged. Keep the soil consistently damp, especially in the first few weeks as shoots emerge. Mist the soil occasionally if the air is dry, and water gently to avoid washing away soil or damaging young shoots. During hot weather or indoor heating, monitor soil moisture closely. Overwatering can cause rot, while underwatering slows growth. A simple routine of checking the top inch of soil and watering when it starts to feel dry keeps ginger happy. Proper moisture creates an environment for roots to expand, leaves to grow lush, and rhizomes to develop thick, flavorful flesh over the months. Step 6. Light and temperature. Ginger loves indirect sunlight and warm temperatures, ideally between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius or 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid direct, harsh sun that can scorch leaves, but provide enough light for photosynthesis. Indoors, place your pot near a bright window or under a grow light if natural sunlight is limited. Outdoors, partial shade works perfectly. Consistent warmth and light help shoots grow quickly and keep the plant healthy. In cooler climates, consider bringing pots indoors during the winter or using a greenhouse setup. Balancing light and temperature is crucial for strong growth, giving your ginger a steady pace toward maturity while maintaining lush, vibrant foliage. Step 7. Fertilizing your ginger. Feed your ginger every few weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer or compost tea. Rich, nutrient-dense soil encourages rhizomes to expand and produce thick, flavorful roots. Avoid chemical fertilizers in excess, which can burn delicate shoots or cause uneven growth. A liquid fertilizer or diluted compost tea works well, gently poured around the base of the plant. Fertilizing supports continuous growth, helping leaves stay green and stems strong. Regular feeding, combined with good soil, light, and moisture, ensures that your ginger develops into a productive plant that rewards your patience with a bountiful aromatic harvest. Step 8. Caring for your ginger. As ginger grows, keep an eye on the leaves for pests or diseases. Remove any yellowing or damaged leaves to maintain plant health. Ginger grows slowly, so patience is key. Don't disturb the soil unnecessarily. Mulching lightly helps retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. If pests appear, use organic solutions like neem oil or gentle washing. By consistently caring for your plant, you encourage steady growth and protect the delicate rhizomes below the soil. A few minutes of attention each week makes a huge difference in long-term success, ensuring your ginger grows robustly and remains free from rot or infestation. Step 9. Harvesting ginger. Ginger is usually ready to harvest after 8 to 10 months once the leaves start turning yellow and drying. Carefully loosen the soil around the rhizomes, avoiding damage. Pick mature pieces for immediate use and leave smaller ones in the soil to continue growing. Harvesting slowly allows the plant to keep producing while giving you fresh ginger gradually. Wash the harvested roots gently to remove soil and admire your hard work. The process of digging out golden rhizomes is satisfying and rewarding, showing how patient care and attention over months turns small rhizomes into a rich, aromatic crop. Step 10. Storing and using ginger. Freshly harvested ginger can be stored in soil, in the refrigerator, or dried for long-term use. For short-term storage, keep it in a paper bag or airtight container in a cool place. You can slice, grate, or use whole pieces for cooking, teas, or homemade remedies. Leftover rhizomes can be replanted to start a new crop. Using homegrown ginger adds unmatched flavor to meals and beverages, and it's a tangible reward for months of care. Sharing your harvest or experimenting with recipes extends the joy of gardening beyond the garden itself. Growing ginger at home is simple, rewarding, and surprisingly satisfying. From selecting the healthiest rhizomes to carefully planting, watering, and watching green shoots emerge, every step is a chance to connect with your garden and the rhythm of nature. With patience and a little care, you can enjoy fresh, aromatic ginger right from your own home, adding flavor, health, and a touch of pride to your kitchen. Whether you're cooking, brewing tea, or sharing your harvest with friends, the joy of homegrown ginger is unmatched. So start small, keep nurturing your plants, and let the soil reward you with golden rhizomes that you grew yourself. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your ginger growing experiences. Here's to your next harvest, full of flavor, freshness, and homegrown satisfaction.